Adding a legend to PyPlot and Matplotlib in the simplest manner possible. TL, Doctor, greater than how can one create a legend for a line graph in Matplotlib's PyPlot without creating any extra variables? Please consider the graphing script below. As you can see, this is a very basic use of Matplotlib's PyPlot. This ideally generates a graph like the one below. Nothing special, I know. However, it is unclear what data is being plotted where. I'm trying to plot the data of some sorting algorithms, length against time taken, and I'd like to make sure people know which line is which. Thus, I need a legend. However, taking a look at the following example below from the official site. You will see that I need to create an extra variable x. How can I add a legend to my graph without having to create this extra variable and retaining the simplicity of my current script?
Add a label equals to each of your plot calls, and then call legend lock equals upper left. Consider this sample, tested with Python 3.8.0. Slightly modified from this tutorial, this URL.
You can access the axes instance, ax, with plt.gca. In this case, you can do this either by using the label equals keyword in each of your plt.plot calls or by assigning your labels as a tuple or list within legend, as in this working example. However, if you need to access the axes instance more than once, I do recommend saving it to the variable axWidth, and then calling ax instead of plt.gca.
You can add a custom legend documentation.
Here's an example to help you out.
A simple plot for sine and cosine curves with a legend. Used Matplotlib.pyplot.